jumps, everything rattles like crazy. Before I started recording, man, there was a tree branch on the floor. I ran it right over, man. I was kind of on my phone though, so kind of my fault. But I was like, man, I gotta put the phone down. Ouch. It started snowing like crazy, and I'm exaggerating, not crazy, but like. Started to snow in Georgia. Oh jeez. Bro, my neck. Bro, it's freezing bricks. It's too cold outside. One thing about these Q50s, man, in the cold, these windows roll up mad slow in the cold. Bro, I rolled my window down for like 2 minutes. My whole neck, ears, everything's like, my neck's probably red, bro. It's so cold. It's only 20. I know people up north are like, man, it's not cold. I know some guys that like live more up north and they're like 4 degrees. Like, yo, that's crazy. The weather don't look too bad. It's just really snow, like. There's just a lot of snow. Like road-wise, the roads aren't crazy. Honestly, I had to get out of my house, man. I couldn't stay. If you like me, like, how do I say it? I like having days off, but at the same time, I don't like to be home. I can't. I have my moments, of course, but for the most part, I get bored at home, man. I can't. I'm about to hit a IHOP for real. See if IHOP open. The vibes. Oh shoot, papi, you almost hit me. I'll probably do one more move. That wasn't even full throttle for real. I don't want to send it too much. It's kind of cold. I have all-wheel drive, but at the same time, it's like my whole car's freezing, you know. I'd rather feel a little better doing this in a warmer environment. When it definitely starts to get warm up, I'll for sure get like a better POV drive with like actual pools and like actual content for real. I really just wanted to record. I wanted to get out the house, man. I was bored out of my mind. I also need to make. I'm gonna make a video soon about that too. Who I got tuned with, my whole process with it. I'm gonna give y'all like the full rundown, like No sugar coating, like just straight business.